You will soon see a lightning striking the cockpit of this plane. Believe it or not, lightning strikes planes more often than you might think, about once per year, on average, for each commercial aircraft. But don't worry, planes are designed to handle lightning strikes. Boom! Did you just see that lightning strike? Let's watch it again. The electricity passes safely around the aircraft's metal shell, leaving everyone on board safe. Thanks to advanced engineering, lightning rarely causes any serious damage to modern planes. It's all part of the flight. Have you ever seen lightning strike a plane? Follow us for more interesting aviation moments like these.